Alright, something a little different today. Gonna build a driveway so we get the cars in the garage. So first off, there's a bit of a mound here and a bit of a dip there, so I'm gonna move as much soil from there up here, and then we'll get some crushed rock and make a ramp, make a driveway so we can get in the garage. So let's go. Alright, we've dug the front out, getting there, put a fair bit up there, kids are helping. 4 meters of crushed rock will be delivered later today, so hopefully we can make a bit of a driveway and a ramp to get into the garage. Let's go, boys. That's it, boys. Keep going.
I hate cooking.
Getting there.
No, we aren't.
Oh.
Wait. Oh.
Colour was wrong, not the...
It's looking good now. Get the cars in. Actually fit 2 cars in even though we've got a bunch of stuff. How good. Can't wait to get out here all concreted and have a shed out the back. Just down there, be good. Really need to get this old thing running. Start drifting around. And once we concrete the front driveway and concrete out here, I can whip it around the house, concrete down the other side. Have a little drift track. Or at the very least an RC car track. Get this thing whipping around. You're sick. Alright, so gone up and down, compacting it with the car a few times and it's come up pretty well. A few low spots, but that'll do. We'll get 2 cars in there easy, so very happy. Time to go get the XR6. Great, car's still here. No one's stolen it. Still at the back of the old house. Time to put it in the new garage. Let's go. But first, got a heap of stuff, so chuck in the boot. And got the dog with me, so gonna take precautions. You ready to go? You ready to go? Hey? Love the car, don't you? It's been like a week since I've driven this, so hopefully it starts. Oh, someone left it in reverse. Oh, it scared me there for a minute. Who was that? I think my wife drove it last. Anyway, alright, let's go. Ready to go, Mill? Shake hands. Good girl. High five. Yeah, let's go. My car's a bit lower, so hopefully we built the driveway right and it actually gets in the driveway. Then I'll get in the garage. Let's see. I've done the scrape. About I put you down here and you let me know in the comments if it's gonna scrape before I scrape. Right, did it scrape? Too late now anyway. Good dog, stay there. Stay there. You like that? Yeah, good girl. How'd you get? Come on. Good girl. New house. Hey, you like new house? Hey? Alright, go for it. Go. Go. Oi. Come here. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Go. 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 Oh, so excited. Been waiting for this day for a couple of years now. So excited about the move and everything. Forgot to change the rear wheel, so yeah, that's a bit embarrassing. I've been driving, well, I haven't been driving around, just been moving the house, but got the FTR, so I've got to chuck them on, although I got work tomorrow, so it'll probably be next weekend. But anyway, both cars fit in, heaps of room, go-kart, so good. Yeah, still got a bit of cleaning up to do, probably get rid of a few things, but once you get the shed out the back, on here, out the backyard, we can clean up this, lawnmower, go-kart, motorbike, bodyboards and all that can go in there, and this can just be nice and clean, and maybe one day enough room for a third car, maybe. That'd be good. EDXR6 or a XR8 or Monaro maybe. But anyway, at least a nice workbench on that side behind the front window. That'd be pretty cool. We're all in. There's my work desk. I work a couple of days a week from there. But it's so good having the garage right here. So I can just open it up, have a look at my car. The rental we were in had an external garage, so you had to go outside and one to check that it's locked, and two to see the cars are right, and I sort of lost motivation to go out there because it was sort of separated from the house. But here, with plenty of room, it's so good. Absolutely loving it. So yeah, I've only been in a week now, so and been back at work all this week. So anyway, we'll clean it all up. As you can see, the car's absolutely filthy. I think it's been months since I've cleaned it. It's pretty bad actually. I've never gone that far. Now that I'm daily driving, I just hadn't had time with the kids and the new house and the move and the new job and everything. So anyway, it's all good. We'll get there. Probably clean it up on the weekend maybe, although I've got heaps of stuff to do at home. But yeah, just thought I'd show you the new garage. I can take you through the house, but maybe my wife sort of designed most of the house and everything, so maybe it's maybe if you want to, maybe she can take you through the house. So maybe I can do a video on that. She can show you through the whole house, but so I won't show too much. Maybe I'll do another video on that. So anyway, yeah, so she did the whole house. I did the garage. That was my job to put an extension on the garage. So anyway, probably more interesting for her to take you through, probably more interesting to listen to her than me. So anyway, thanks for watching another one. See you in the next one.